In this series of Must Get Out in Front, where I am showing a lot of people being silly, I also wanted to show why it's just good to hang back and not be a must get in front person every so often. Like here in a 20 zone, letting out a bus after you've already braked until less than 10 kilometers an hour. I think by now I'm doing 15 kilometers an hour. And, you know, you just let them past, and a little while longer you'll see I'm still behind exactly the same BMW. Obviously the BMW was already going past the bus, sorry. But yeah, I'll show you, I've got another video where you can see a bus pulling out and crossing 2 lanes at, in a 30 zone in the wet, which is not so clever, but, just let people out, let them get to work, you'll get home or get where you're going in pretty much the same speed.